I'm Dave. I'm the producer in Exmag, along with Tyler and Eric. Our process usually starts with like about an hour of just pure creativity, just playing until something magical happens.
You like chop up a bunch of things on that.
We like to incorporate a lot of unusual recording technique, give our sound a little bit more character. Just put kick drum. Yeah. We can like just remove the transient and turn it into drum hits. We'll take these samples, cut them down to an amount of time that it becomes like percussion. When we're traveling, we are bouncing ideas back and forth.
And it does actually sound real nice.
When the three of us are playing and we feel like we've finally created this special thing about music that we love, then we can tell it's happened. We'll start smiling, we'll start actually feeling feelings, which is beautiful.
I'm Fred Falk. I'm a French music producer. I've been making music for the last 16 years. The music I'm making is always about what I just saw or what I just heard around me.